Okay, hello. So we continue with the next hardware guide. Okay, so buying inductor. Buying diode. Okay, so diode is, if you don't know, this one is a diode. Okay, so this one is the diode. Okay, so for diode, you have to make sure the I forward. Okay, I forward. Okay, and V forward. Okay, I think it's not, I think it's called IA, I not. Okay, so IA and VF. Okay, VF, make sure it is very small. Okay, P loss equals to I not multiplied by VF. So smaller VF, smaller loss. So usually we just look here. Okay, and then I forward, and then V back, I think. V reverse diode. Okay, V reverse, make sure when this turn off, it can withstand the voltage crossing to the VDS. VAC, I think it's called. Okay, this one is minus, this one is plus. Okay, so this one you have to consider, this one you have to consider, and then the response time, T response. Okay, so that's why in the element 14 you have to find the fast and ultra recovery diode. Okay, so you need to make sure the diode is fast. So you just search diode. Okay, and I suggest you choose this one. Okay, so other also have, this one is bridge diode, this one from DC and from AC to DC. Okay, this one is regulator diode, current. Okay, for current. This one is Zener, Shockley. Okay, that one maybe you don't use. Okay, but usually you use this one, ultra fast recovery diode. Okay, so let's take a look. I think no need to explain again. So the current, you have to look during the simulation, you have to put the current sensor during the operation with the highest current. You have to set when the current is high, you have to test. Okay, if the current is high, okay, so if the current is high during this time, you have to measure it. Okay, make sure the current, and then you measure the voltage, make sure the highest voltage you recorded, and then you have to multiply by the safety factor. For this case, I suggest 1.3 to 2 times. Okay, so higher is better, but usually higher means more expensive. Okay, so let's take a look. For this case, maybe same here. I already show you forward voltage. Okay, forward current. Okay, this one is average, I think. Okay, average. So just choose the maximum one. Okay, for example, maybe maximum is 10 ampere, so I suggest minimum is 10 ampere. Okay, and then maximum is around 16 ampere, something like that. Okay, the current. Okay, forward voltage, reverse recovery time, surge current. Okay, you have to find out the voltage, reverse voltage. Okay, this one, reverse voltage. What is the highest reverse voltage? Maybe 200. Okay, maybe in your calculation is 100, after safety factor is become 200. Okay, I think 66 is quite enough, so just click it. So show filter, and with this one also, so show, and again you have to make sure it's available. This one is not available, this one is available, it's still very low. Okay, this one good. Okay, for this one you have to ensure the quality, you have to look at the forward voltage. So if you want to look at the good one first, click here. Forward voltage needs to be very low. So this one is low, no longer manufactured. Okay, this one is SMD, you cannot use it. Okay, this one is good. Okay, so 200 volt, 10 ampere. Okay, forward voltage is this one, and 30 nanosecond. 30 nanosecond is quite fast. Okay, so usually for reverse recovery, I suggest 1 per 100. I think it should be okay. So how to calculate it? So basically T, okay, The reverse recovery time I suggest is less than maybe 100 times of it. Okay, 1 over switching frequency, 1 over fs, and then divide by 100. That is the minimum. I think 100 is also quite very not good. So 200. So if the switching frequency is 1 divided by 20,000 frequency, and then you have multiplied by 200. Okay, so this is reverse recovery. Basically I suggest 100 nanosecond should be okay. Okay, this one should be okay. Okay, so you have it. Reverse, forward current, forward voltage is quite low. I think this one okay, quite good. It's not very good actually. Okay, that's why I think you have to use, I forget the name, I think Shockley. Okay, it has lower voltage. I'm not remember. Okay, so basically this one should be okay. Okay, it's ultra fast, it support the current. Okay, and reverse recovery time is quite fast, and the body, okay, the casing, okay, this one the casing TO220, but this one AB, I think AB is bit larger. Okay, the casing, this means the shape of it, this is a standard. Okay, so TO220AB is a little bit harder to get the heatsink. Okay, should be okay, no need to worry. Okay, so that's it. That is how you find diode, almost the same as MOSFET. Okay, but this one only you just find the fast and ultra fast recovery diode. Okay, thank you.